Did you know that after you cook that steak or bacon, the fats, oils, and greases should not be poured down the drain? Towns have been seeing enormous amounts of buildup in the wastewater treatment facilities, and they report that the damage these byproducts are doing is costing towns a lot of money in maintenance and repairs at the stations, as well as significant environmental issues. PCN met up with Dr. Nate Horwit-Willis, Plymouth's Director of Public Health, to learn more about this issue and where we should be putting our fat, oil, and grease waste. We start with a recent PSA he did at PACTV.
Hey Jerry, what are you up to?
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. I'm just finishing up working on a recipe for our show, Delicious and Nutritious, and I'm cleaning up a bit here, and I have a little bit of oil left over.
Okay, well, I'm just curious. What are you going to do with that oil?
I'm going to let it cool first, then I'm going to put it into my container over here, then I'm going to put this in the trash.
Oh, I see here. Well, Jerry, it's very important that you do that to prevent any clogs or anything else that's going to impair your septic or your sewer system. So how is anyone else going to remember that important concept?
I got it. Cool it, can it, and trash it. Cool it, can it, and trash it.
Yeah. So remember, not disposing of fats, oils, and grease properly can clog your septic system or public sewer. Anyone can dispose of fats, oils, and grease properly. Remember to cool it, can it, trash it.
With fats, oils, and greases, that's been an issue not just in Plymouth or in Massachusetts, but nationwide. And it's an issue in the realm of public health because it could have ramifications for the impairment of your septic system or even your sewer line. And it could lead to the backup of both of those types of systems. And you could end up having antibiotic-resistant bacteria build up and other pathogens. And then that could get into your water system if you have a well, potentially, or it could lead to the discharge of these types of pathogens and bacteria into other water bodies and waterways. Not to mention the grease itself could go into these water bodies or waterways and cause further degradation of the environment. And then the disposal of any foreign materials such as flushable wet wipes, when we all know, or when it's been shown that any wet wipe is not flushable. So we're talking about proper disposal and educating people on how to go about doing that. And then the homeowners who may have septic systems and also homeowners who have sewer. So that's going to be the first thing with the education piece. And then hopefully we can get around to compliance. So in the future, we really want to be able to go and work with restaurants and any homeowners who have a septic system and to work with the sewer division so we can start to address some of these things in the community so people can have improved, healthy lifestyles.